Hello friends, today I'm going to replace reverse lights or actually tail lights in this Toyota Prado 120 series. So I'm not just going to replace these main lights here, which is this old one here. Also I'm going to replace these reflectors there as well. One is already got broken, so that's why I have ordered it, and this one here as well. So this one came really nice and secure. I ordered one of website lasbuy Australia. So I'll put the link below for this product, and came with this load resistor here as well. So yeah, I'll check if we're going to use these or not. So one for each we are going to use with these bigger lights here, and these ones we have to make manual connections with this light here. So first we will remove this headlight here. There is only these couple of screws holding it, so we'll remove these screws, and I think we can just pull it off. So this light pretty easy to take off. Just remove the connector, and it's actually pretty much plug and play. So I'll take this opportunity to clean up this area before installing the new one. So same time we are going to pass wire for these bottom lights here. So this is the guide wire, so first pass it through here, and then you'll see that there is a is coming from this hole here, and then going back to that hole there, and coming out from here. Just pull it over that wire, and then we'll make the connections and we'll test it out. So here I have made the connection, that bottom light here, red to red, yellow to yellow, white to white, and black to black. Connect your load resistor, and just secure it with a cable tie or this electric tape, and then we can put this back on and we're going to test it. So we have completed all the installation. And these are when the hazard lights are on. Then now I will show you when the car is in reverse. And when you press the reverse brake, now leave it. Okay. They look quite good, and unique thing that these ones you can see on your mirror there as well, these side lights here. So quite a look of 150 series now at back. So soon after I'm going to replace the front headlights as well. So stay tuned and don't miss out the other videos. So please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.